Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. Today's video is very special to me because we built this house a year ago, and I did make empty house tour video, but it wasn't filmed properly, so I decided to go ahead and film a furnished house tour. Today we will do only the downstairs area because this video will be very long. I will go ahead and start filming. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. The office. I got this curtain from TJ Maxx. I got this clock in the frame from Ross. I got this L-shaped office table. I got it from Wayfair. The flowers came from Walmart and the base came from TJ Maxx. And the candle holder came from Arts and Crafts store in California. And the candle came from Ross, but I did a little bit of paint over it to make it a little bit lighter. It was dark brown in gold. Okay, this is the hallway. This used to be my old mirror from old house. It was dark brown and I spray painted it metallic silver, and also this one. I got it from yard sale and it was dark gold. I spray painted it. This one is our formal dining room. In this new house, we just built it a year ago. We don't really buy anything because we already have all the stuffs from old house. This furniture came from Ashley Furniture. And the scarf came from just penny home, and the curtain came from TJ Maxx. It's like cotton and it has a print on it, and I love it, so cute. And again, the flowers came from Walmart. I just painted it a little bit. It was brown. It looks much better. And I love those two artworks. And this formal dining room can hold all my stuffs at the same time than my old house. buy so many furniture from Ashley Furniture. They gave me gift. This one in the bigger. Hey guys, this is the family room. And this table used to be brown. The curtain came from Amazon, and there is a gray sheer inside, which is I love. This one came from Arts and Crafts, and this one came from Walmart. hope you enjoyed this downstairs tour. I'll see you in part 2 with second floor. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.